Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Affinity. Now, once you're inside Affinity, guys, you will see right here on your home page that you will see a bunch of templates and so forth that you have here. Welcome to Affinity. You have a bunch of stuff right here. And you have recent. This is going to show you your recent files. You have learn. You have my templates. You can go ahead and you can even create templates from here as well, right? You also have your favorites here, so if you want to favorite some stuff, you can find it here. Now, to create a new project is super simple. All you have to do is click the plus on the upper right hand side to say start new, and here you will have your designs or the sizes, right? So you can choose whichever size you want, or you can always go ahead and customize what you want by setting it the way you want on the right hand side. So I'm going to just choose something random. So let's say I want to go ahead and choose this A4 option right here, or this A3. Just go ahead and click on that and then click create document. And as you will see right now, once I create document, it's going to open up into my canvas here. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you go ahead and start a new project, right? If you want to go ahead and name this, it's super easy as well. All you have to do is ensure that you save your project. So to save your project, go ahead and click file on the upper right hand side, and here you'll have the option to save. So you can go ahead and click on save, or you can press Ctrl S and just name the project whatever. So as this is unsaved file, I'm going to go ahead and just save it, for example, in my downloads here, and I'm going to just call this one test, right? Then go ahead and click on save, and you will see right here that the project is saved and it has the name as test. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.